In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do YouTube keyword research. We're going to keep this really practical and hands-on so you can follow along on your own computer as you watch. The goal here is to find keywords that real people are actually searching for on YouTube, so your videos have a better chance of getting discovered. First, open your browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type YouTube keyword research and hit enter. The reason we start on Google is that it conveniently shows us a range of tools that are already optimized for YouTube, so we don't have to memorize any specific website addresses. On the results page, look for a result from a tool called vidIQ, YouTube SEO and Keyword Tools. Go ahead and click that. vidIQ is a popular YouTube optimization tool that helps you find keywords, understand search volume, and see how competitive different topics are. Even if you don't use all its advanced features, just accessing its keyword options can give you great ideas. Once the vidIQ page opens, find the option that says Find Keywords Free. Click that. At this point, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. Choose the account you're comfortable using for YouTube and follow the prompts. You can get started on the free plan, which is more than enough when you're just learning how keyword research works. If you don't want to connect your account right now, that's fine. You can simply move on to the next tool. Now, go back to your Google Results tab. This time, look for another result that says something like Zootrix Best Free YouTube Keyword Tool for Content Creators, and click that link. Zootrix is another keyword research tool that focuses specifically on YouTube, and it's really straightforward to use. On the Zootrix page, you'll see a search field. Click into that box and type a specific keyword related to the kind of video you want to make. For example, you might type beginner guitar tutorial or healthy meal prep ideas. The more specific you can be, the better insights you'll get, because it reflects what a viewer might actually type into YouTube. After entering your keyword, click the search button. The tool will generate results around that keyword, such as related phrases, search volume, and sometimes competition levels. Take your time looking through these suggestions and note down the keywords that closely match your content idea but don't seem overly competitive. Those are the phrases you'll want to use in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to give your content the best possible chance to rank and be discovered.